What is up, you guys? So today we have a package for the E36 again. Now I know you want to see stuff on the E46, and we will. It's just I have so much stuff coming for this that I'm sponsored by, so I kind of have to put content on the E36 out. Plus, I love working on the E36. It's very fun and easy at the moment since these are small things. Now, as you can see, these are Maxpeeding rods. They reached out to me many times on Instagram asking if I would like to run their products. Now, the E46 at the time, I had the K-Sport Coilovers, so I told them no. But since I picked up a project, the E36, I thought, you know what? Let me go back to them, let me talk to them, get their coilovers. I've read online that there's a lot of mixed reviews. Some people love them, some people hate them, some people say they're too stiff, others say they ride great for what they are. And you got to remember, these are about 200 bucks, so you can't expect them to be like KW quality or BC racing quality. These are entry-level coilovers that you could get for about 200 bucks, if not a little bit less, depending on the ones you get. A lot of you guys are on budgets just like me when it comes to just starting out, so the E36 is on a budget. I'm going to throw these on, see how they are, test them out, give you a full review now, then give you a review in about 3 months, 6 months, a year, how they're holding up. But I don't know if I will still have these after a year, because I will be getting like racing coils for this, like something along the lines of K-Sport again, because I like them on my E46. They feel amazing. I'm going to do a review on them pretty soon. But yeah, I should stop talking because this thing is probably going to be just a video of me yapping. So the packaging is really good, and like I said, it's very windy today, so excuse the wind noise. But like I said, wow, they look amazing. I'm actually not going to be using these. A lot of people use them to have the car sit higher, but I'm going for a complete like slammed look in the rear, and I may just remove these completely, or I'll just remove these bolts and have just this little washer. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to use these at all, just because I want it to be as super low as possible in the rear, and probably going to max the front outs as well. But yeah, so we're going to get to it. I'm gonna unbox it real quick for you guys, show you the quality of these things, and yeah, I'm gonna test them out, give you my honest review, because I do think they're gonna be great, because there's been more good stories than bad about them. Some people just probably didn't luck out during shipping, maybe they got damaged, so when they put them on they blew. But the packaging looks amazing. Now this is the front. It is heavy though. Maybe a little bit heavier than the K-Sports, but yeah, as you can see, the welds are pretty good. I know this is a weak point that a lot of people say, to put like a washer if you're going to be drifting this thing. I'm not going to be drifting this, or at least on these, so I'm not going to put a washer here. Maybe in the future. These are adjustable, so that's really cool. Like I said, for 200 bucks you really can't complain. They're adjustable, they do a lot of stuff. But we're gonna actually loosen this up, and actually I might remove this and remove these two as well, because that's what the guy did, and he slammed the hell out of these babies. The shock is thick, so that's a good sign, because on my drift coils the shock is actually thick, like super thick, much thicker than that, and they ride amazing. They held up great. They come with the tools to adjust them, but like I said, I'll probably be removing mine. I won't be installing those. So the fronts look good. Oh, they have camber plates, so yeah, like for 200 bucks you really can't complain. So here are the rears. He didn't touch these from what I gathered, he just left them as is, but these are also adjustable, so that's awesome. I have the head mount for the first time. I don't know if it sounds good, I don't know if it looks good, so hopefully it does. Otherwise this video is going to be a complete waste, but let's get to it. Like I said, sorry for the wind noise, but since we have everything off now, I can go ahead and look at everything. Brakes seem to be okay, but definitely new rotors. This is not okay. They're definitely warped, completely rusted. So I'm gonna spray some WD-40 because it's really hard to take that one bolt out. I'm gonna spray this now. Now the rear suspension is the easiest. It's literally one bolt here, unbolt at the top, and this thing goes down and you remove the spring. To do this, I'm probably gonna needs some help, I'll try to do it myself by putting my foot down and removing it. So here we go. This side is off. Here's the new spring. As you can see, about 2 inches lower. So like I said, I do not really want to use this, but let's see. There goes my, yeah, I feel like even if I were to get this all the way there, just, yeah, not sure, probably not, to be honest. So let's just put this in, like so, and there you have it. That is a huge difference in sheesh. Let's see, this one good? Wow, good thing we're replacing them. Look how slow this is going up. These are Bilsteins, but these are like extremely old. So we have this side on, as you can see. Without this adapter, holy moly, this thing is gonna be slammed. I might actually take it off and put this adapter on now. But I do like it like this, so let's run it like this. I have new wheels coming, so whatever. Let's see if this thing will rub. That is ridiculous. I don't know if you can see the camber, but I got new wheels coming with a more aggressive offset, so we'll push it out and it should look better, but that's ridiculous. I might have to put those on actually. So I got the driver's side rear off, and look at this. They compress. Wow, these are done. Unfortunately, I actually stripped this bolt, so I have to run to Home Depot and pick another one up. So I'm gonna start on the fronts right now, but I'm losing daylight, so we'll see how much I get done. But 3 bolts up here, and then turn the wheel over so it's easier for me to take these off. But I think there's like 3 or 4 bolts on the inside, and we should be good. So let's start doing that now.